guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited because it's a little birthday one. I'm going to show you some gifts that my friends got me. Thank you, Katie and Jackie. And I got other gifts and money that I bought other stuff, but too lazy to show it. Dismiss my sunburn, guys. I was working hard all day and I'm really sick and like coughing up mucus, snot. But anyways, it's funny how my intuition works because I didn't know my friends dropped off all these gifts. And I was just craving these all of a sudden at I'm sick, the grocery store, and someone wanted me to buy them. Then I saw black candles and I was eager to buy them for magic. So we're gonna do this a little Trisha Paytas style. Put a little candle, a little witchy candle, make a little birthday wish, and have a little birthday cupcake. Ooh, this looks so good. Let's hide the messy stuff so you don't see it in the video. Maleficent, stay in the home, honey. Mukbang. We're gonna make a wish first. We need a Fesmatos Incendia. Oh my god, it's not gonna even want to burn. Fesmatos Incendia. I'm so sick. Let's see. Fesmatos Incendia, elemental force of fire, I invoke thee. Bring forth to me Archangel Michael's blue flames down from the heavens to cleanse and purify my being in space, so mote it be. Ooh, how exciting. Guys, time to make a wish. Have to really concentrate on that wish now. Get rid of the candle and eat the cupcake. Ooh. Time to open some gifts. You guys like my birthday balloon? I'm so happy I have a birthday balloon. I haven't had one in so long. Let's start with the big one, I think. Look at the elephants, like a niche Buddha. Cupcake is so good. Please eat this. Ooh! Incense, totally. Oh, I didn't know I had this. I just cut the ribbon off. Oh, this is so exciting. Look at all these gifts, guys. Ooh. Thank you to my friends. You guys are so sweet.
Mason, get out. Get out of the frame.
Oh, it smells so good in here. Okay, this cupcake needs to be put down. Let's see what's in here. This is so exciting. What? Oh my god, my friends know me so well. This is so cool. This is totally... I'm not sure if it's a, like, magical thing or if it's fictional or actual, like, magic to do. But my friends got me the Lev Grossman, the Magician's trilogy. So this is so cool. It's like magician, because I'm like a spiritual magician. This is so cool. I love that. Thank you guys. That's so cool. Ooh, look at the wrapping. Really nice. Let's open this. I feel all bad to like ruin the bow because like she spent time on it. Ooh, this is so cool. Let's see. Open this. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, this is cool. It's a little Shakyamuni Buddha statue. This is nice to bring on me when I do like my my little photo shoots out in nature at work and stuff. This will totally be perfect for me to bring at my new job. How cool. Thank you guys. Shakyamuni Buddha. I have such a mess going on. Let's move all this trash. Let's see, incense, I want to say. Ooh, these are so cool. So there's Archangel Chamomile, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Jophiel, don't know you, sorry. Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Ezekiel, and I got an Archangel Michael one last time for my friends. This is so cool. So thank you guys. I could have an instant for each archangel to invoke them. That is so cool. Let's open this one. Let's see what's in here.
Mason, get out of the frame.
Oh, and then I got more stuff behind me too. I forgot. Totally just hurt my stomach right now. Just like, ooh. This is exciting. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, what's this? Is this an essential oil diffuser? Because I don't have one. Oh, I'm gonna be so excited if it is. Or it might be a statue. Let's see. Ooh, I think it's a Ganesh Buddha. Or maybe Is this that statue I wanted of Archangel Michael? Yay, it's an Archangel Michael statue. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to finally have one. I have these saved on my Amazon. This is so cool. I just gotta make more room for him. Oh, that's so nice. I'm so happy to have an Archangel Michael statue. Let's get cut through this.
You don't need to cut it. It was already broken.
Let's get in here. Ooh, this is so fun. I feel like Christmas. Let's see. I'm just cutting it open. Ooh. What fun, alright? Opening real gifts.
Give me a phone.
Ooh. What? This is... No, I'm so happy. I've been wanting a Terra Buddha statue for so long. Oh, this is so cool and it's actually nice. I'm so happy to finally have a real Terra Buddha statue and not an actual picture of her. What? This is so cool. I'm so happy. All my favorite Ascended Masters, little Shakyamuni Buddha, Archangel Michael, and Terra Buddha, or Bodhisattva, I forget, sorry. But, oh, that's so cool. I'm so happy because she's one of my favorite Buddhas. I have a lot of favorite Ascended Masters, guys, but that one's one of my favorites. Ooh, that's so cool. Let's see. The deck's a mess. I'm totally gonna have to clean this. I have to come outside to have some good lighting for the YouTube video. All about that YouTube money, right? Even though I'm not making money and I'm demonetized, please like and share so I can get some views, please. Ooh, what's in here? Gold. Very bougie. Ooh. Oh, this is perfect for my loose crystals because I have so many. To like put my loose like tumble stones in here. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, more gold. Ooh, washi tape. Let's see. Let's try to cut through here. Some fancy washi tape. What's this? Let's see. Oh, and there's something else in here too. Oh, this is cool. It's a little like resin crystal point that has some gold in it. Oh, that's so cool. I like that. It's neat. Ooh, and what else is in here? I saw my friend get that last time too. That's so cool. I have to do, follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see more pictures. Is this moonstone? Let's see. Oh, this is cool. It's like a bookmark, I want to say. It's got like the resin, it's clear resin that has gold flakes in it. And it looks like some clear quartz beads, so very perfect. I just got a new book I could show you guys too, and I could put this on there. This is so neat. Thank you. Let's see what's in the last bag. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see. I want to open this one for some reason. Sorry if I'm low energy, guys. I'm really trying to, but like I've been sick, like really bad. Runny nose, working, and ugh. But I'm trying to channel that good energy. Ooh. What's this one? Oh, Siddhartha, this is so cool. This is the book my friend was telling me about with like Shakyamuni Buddha. And this one's a fictional one, but who knows? Could have been real in another world. Let's see. That's gonna be cool to read. And perfect with my new job. I could read a lot more. That's nice. I like the color of the book. Let's see. What's in here? Gotta cut a little bit. My cat wants to come outside, but I don't want her to drop off the high-story deck. Ooh, what are these? Let's see. High vibration, intensity, frequency, crystal, consciousness. Ooh, these are cool. I don't want to open everything and take too long, but there's some crystals in here that I could do some magic with, so that's cool. So I'm gonna have to have fun with that. Ooh. Love my crystals. This is so nice. You did really good, Jackie, in the wrapping. I know it's you. Thank you for making it look all nice. It's fun to open stuff. Ooh, that's cool. I wonder what that crystal is. I want to see. Let's see. Get this one open. Oh, this is nice. I don't have a piece of the Orthoceras yet, so it's nice to have my first piece. Represent the sea and my sea theme. And it's kind of like a teardrop shape. This is so cool. So happy to have my first piece of Orthoceras. That helps with past life recall and stuff. Okay, time to open this one, guys. Last gift. Ooh, how exciting. Still want to eat my cupcake too. Ooh, what's in here?
No.
Ooh, blue tissue paper. Yay! I'm so happy. A bunch of clear quartz points, guys. I love these. You can never have enough. And a little tip, the ones with the points, you can put one going towards you, one going away. And when you ask Archangel Michael or an Ascended Master to create sacred space, you can meditate and receive more clearly. Ooh, I love these. Thank you. Oh, and there's a little something in here too, a little bonus. It's a teeny crystal. A little piece of something, I don't know. Oh, but that's so cool. I'm so happy. I love crystals. I got a bunch of stuff I like, and one of my favorite things right away is the Terra Buddha statue. So thank you, friends, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to be more active on my YouTube channel, but who knows when that's gonna be. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Blessed be.